Dang, look at that snow. Oh, yeah, a month. You gonna focus? Since I posted a video. That is crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna try to post like 3 or 2 times a week. I'm trying to aim for 3 because I can't do every day, as y'all can see. I did try, I got a little bit. I think I got like, I posted videos for like 2 weeks straight without messing up. That was the start of the year. That was my resolution goal, but yeah, y'all know, everybody fail. I'm going to be uploading on Tuesdays and Thursdays. That's the upload schedule I'm going to try to follow it, but I'm out.